Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, February 3, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, February 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 3, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, February 3, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 33.5 million pesos for January 3, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, February 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.